Hey, what is up guys? This is Elton Jukino, Hobbies and Collection, and for today's video is another tutorial Tuesday. So for today's episode, we will be discussing on how to use your smartphone as your web camera. So what are the needed materials para magawa natin yung setup na to? Of course, we need a smartphone. For this video, we will be using an Android phone. Next is our mobile cable. So kung ano lang yung ginagamit natin pang charge sa phone natin, so yun yung cable na gagamitin natin. Next is PC or laptop. Once we have everything needed, we need to download the IBCam app on our mobile device. So just go to App Store and search for IBCam. Then download and install. Next, go to your PC or laptop and search for IBCam download. Let's pick the second link and click download. Once download complete, install the application. Now, let's plug our cable to smartphone and to our PC or laptop. Open the IBCam application to our smartphone and PC or laptop. Then, allow USB debugging. Wait until it connected or paired. Until we see the live view of our camera. Now, we can see the live footage from our smartphone to our PC. In the IBCam application, we can also change the camera settings such as brightness, ISO, exposure compensation, white balance, focus, and zoom. We also have controls with the following. We can turn off the beautify. We can change the vertical orientation by clicking the flip control. We can also change the horizontal orientation by clicking the mirror control. And we can switch cameras. We can use either the front camera of our smartphone or the rear camera. So yun yung kagandahan ng software na to dahil pwede nating i-control yung camera settings kung ano yung camera na gagamitin natin. So pwede nating gamitin yung front camera or rear camera ng ating smartphone, and we can lock all the settings once we are happy with our settings para hindi mabago yung mga ginawa natin na configuration. Now, let's use this as our web camera in our Zoom application. So, sample, meron tayong meeting na kailangang attendan. Hindi na tayo mamumroblema if ever na wala tayong video dahil pwede natin i-set up yun using our smartphone. So, now let's open the Zoom application. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mukha niya if we are using the built-in camera or the integrated camera. So, on natin to. So, this is the built-in camera of the laptop that I'm using. Kung makikita natin, sobrang pixelated niya, hindi siya maganda, blur. And now, let's use the camera from our smartphone. So, we need to change the video settings from integrated camera to E2E soft IBCam. So, check lang natin yan. And now, we are seeing the live footage from our smartphone. So, ayan. Yan yung smartphone natin. And as you can see, mas malinaw siya, hindi siya pixelated, and medyo mas professional yung dating natin sa video na to. So, as you can see, almost same lang sila ng angulo. Medyo mababa lang yung built-in camera natin. We are using the same light. We are using the same room. There's a big difference in the video quality. So, ang layo. So, kung makikita nyo, sobrang layo ng quality nila. So, mas malinaw yung camera natin versus the camera from the laptop. And by the way, hindi lang natin pwedeng gamitin to sa Zoom application. Pwede rin natin siyang gamitin sa Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. So, any application sa PC natin na gumagamit ng video call, we can use our smartphone once na na-configure natin yung IBCam software natin sa PC or desktop. Papakita ko rin sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin using the OBS Studio. So, if ever na we are doing some live stream, so pwede rin natin tong gamitin. So, let's close the Zoom application and open our OBS Studio. So, ito yung application na ginagamit ko when I'm doing some live stream. So, kung makikita nyo, may mga settings na ako dito. So, technically, we can configure our OBS Studio na source ng camera or video from our smartphone. So, just adding a scene. So, sample, this is our IBCam. IBCam. And sa IBCam natin na scene, we need to add resource and video capture device. So sa video capture device, we need to create new. So this is our smartphone. So sa smartphone, i-select lang natin tong E2E IB cam. Select lang natin yan. Then okay. So ayan. So as you can see in our OBS Studio, we can use our smartphone when we are doing some live stream. So yun yung kagandahan nito kasi multi-purpose yung application na to. So pwede tayong mag-live stream. So since uso ngayon mag-live stream, like if you're doing some game live stream, so pwede natin gamitin yung camera natin without relying the built-in camera from our laptop, or if ever man na wala tayong web camera. I press start streaming. Pwede na ako mag-stream sa Facebook, or pwede ako mag-stream sa YouTube. So pwede natin gamitin yung ating smartphone as our camera. So mas malinaw yung video quality, mas maganda. So in this setup, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung behind the scene. So meron siyang stand. This is a light stand and a phone holder. So inad ko lang siya doon dahil parehas naman siya ng thread. So minount ko yung ating smartphone sa phone holder natin. The purpose of that setup is because para ma-adjust natin yung height ng ating smartphone. So if ever na we wanted na level sa atin yung footage niya, so mas maganda. So pwede din naman ilagay natin siya sa baba, but much better kung nakaanggulo siya ng maayos or nasa tamang position yung ating smartphone para if ever na we're doing some meetings, so mas maganda yung output ng video natin. So ayun guys, nakita nyo na kung paano ko sinet up. Sobrang dali lang naman gamitin. Ang kagandahan ng setup na to is most of us is merong smartphone. So pwede natin gamitin yon as our web camera. Bakit nga ba kailangan natin mag-set up using our smartphone? So two reasons. First is if ever na gumagamit ka ng PC and you don't have web camera or wala siyang built-in na web camera, so kailangan mong bumili pa ng extra web camera, which is if ever na kailangan mo ng mas magandang quality na web camera, mas mahal. So either you spend a lot, so a couple of $100 or sabihin nating 5,000 plus here in the Philippines. So medyo masakit sa bulsa yon. Yun yung kagandahan nito kasi pwede natin siyang gamitin as our camera. Second reason is if ever na gumagamit ka ng laptop, so there's a built-in camera sa laptop natin. So pwede natin gamitin yon as web camera. So yun yung common na ginagamit natin. But the problem is yung built-in na camera sa laptop natin is hindi maganda yung quality. So medyo blur or usually pangit yung built-in camera ng laptop natin. So if you wanted to have a good quality na video, if ever na we are attending Zoom meeting, pwede natin gamitin yung smartphone natin. Madali siyang gawin at madali siyang i-set up, and we can do this in our home. Since most of us are working from home dahil pandemic ngayon, so karamihan ng meetings natin are required yung video call. So yun yung kagandahan nito kasi hindi na natin kailangan bumili ng extra web camera para magkaroon ng magandang quality sa video call natin. So if ever na we are attending Zoom meeting sa workman, opisina, or class, so para mas maganda yung video quality natin, we can do that using our smartphone. And that's for today's video. I hope you find this video entertaining and helpful. If you do, press the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, this is Elton Chukino of Hobbies and Collection. See you in the next video. Peace!